We've been busy. The last 5 weeks have been an incredible journey to transform our place here in the Gabba from what we've had for the last 20 years, which has been a great warehouse space, but with the future being super uncertain, we had to make some changes. I wanted to do this for quite a while, but sometimes Dad's a bit of a stumbling block, but I got him round in the end. So we've been able to put a mezzanine level all the way through the back of our warehouse, which has given us a stack of new space. But we've also been able to build a whole new area for our spare parts. Spare parts are so important to the ongoing success of our business. You know, there's these ones that behind me here that go back well over 40 years. But what I want to take you into is our brand new spare parts facility. This area keeps all our parts, both current and from the old days, all together in one space. For me, I really believe that over the next 12 months to 18 months is not going to be easy for any family business or any business at all. But the secret for us, in my mind, is going to be outstanding service. So the ability for us to not only hold more stock on hand and have better accessibility for our spare parts is going to hopefully set us apart from our competitors. And here it is. We've got new space for doing more clock repairs, testing more things. But look at all these parts. We can keep everything all in one room, all together, so we're able to deliver even what I would hope better service than we've ever delivered before.